Oh.
They just died.
Bit there. Oh, that's all over everything. Get rid of the bags.
Yeah, get rid of that bag anyway.
They're both covered in it.
That bad.
Okay, get rid of the bag and put it in here.
Yeah, I can't even all over my hands.
Okay.
So some
Is the other one okay?
yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, maybe it's there.
Hold that please.
Certain artistic elements that they put into making that dance, but the rest of it's like freestyle. Like I say, like dips and turns.
মোবাইল খাই বাসও চলিয়া গেছি কি মোবাইল লিয়ে আইছি আর একটা ওই বলছে 3:30টার সময় গিয়ে আর সব মোবাইল কাটতে
Is it coming back again?
Thankful more passengers. Round and back.
Walking on the water.
It's giving Christmas. Why did you stop?
I just started taking a video and you just stuck in front. Like it was all planned. The bag. Oh. It did look empty from the bottom, didn't it? It looked empty from the bottom. At this time I didn't say anything because that bottom does look empty. Why are they all bunched up like that?
Bonjour. Bonjour. Escargot.
We had some escargot. Yeah. So what are you drinking?
Heineken. Nothing special. And a rabbit's just gone past on a bike. Paris is looking up after the Louvre today, which is very disappointing. I'm sure a lot of people will find it fantastic.
I think it's just
Just not for me. It's too
many
all over.
all over the place.
Even using the interactive map.
Yeah, which we tried, and they're €5 each.
It's either that or I'm just too old. I don't understand technology anymore, but I found it quite difficult to
Yeah, but I don't think it's that.
make it work.
Because the girls are obviously younger, and they found it frustrating as well. So.
But we had a nice bit of Thai food.
Yes, we did.
A little eatery just round the corner
Yes.
from where we are now. Absolutely beautiful.
Yes. Beautiful Thai food.
And we even got some dim sum.
Yes, we did. And
Not very
now-
French, we know,
No,
but we just had
yeah.
the escargot to
Escargot.
make up for it.
And we are currently people watching in. Where's my card? The card.
33.
Here you go. Chien que fut. The smoking dog.
Maybe.
Yeah, and it's on 33 Rue du Pont Neuf, Paris 1
First, Arrondissement.
Okay, is that what it means?
Yes.
Arrondissement. Okay, I didn't know that. I just went
Anyway.
1 Anyway, we'll show you some video footage of the area that we're sitting here. The area that we're sitting here drinking in a bit. Enjoy. Au revoir. I can't see the sun. I can't see the sign. Oh, there. I can't see the sign. I'll have to get up and do a sign.
No mercy.
No. I can't see the sign. The sign is all light. Huh? It goes all the way there. Look at the church. Mikey. Mikey, look at the church.
My hair looks pretty.
Look at the church. Look over there.
My hair looks pretty. My hair looks pretty.
Okay.
Oh, Vicky, no.
Oh.
So you just died.
Been there. Oh, it's all over everything. Get rid of the bags.
Yeah, get rid of that bag anyway.
They're both covered in it. Okay, get rid of the bag and put it in here.
Yeah, I can't, it's all over my hands.
Okay.
So someone needs to do it.
So I stand there and say something. Use your mouth. The other one's okay?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, it's there.
Hold that, please.
Fantastic, isn't it? Thank you. Yeah, very. When you do like a tango, it's very. Ballroom dancing, it's variation of each dance. Certain artistic elements of the cooking is built in that dance. But the rest of it's freestyle. Not the same like dips and turns.